the best electric scooters are one of the newer, and better alternate forms of transportation. More than just a way to get your direction, electric scooters are more fun to ride. Also, they zip you around quickly and quietly, and because they're more compact than bikes, they're easier to store in apartments and smaller spaces. The question is, which one is suitable for your need? Here are the top 5 best electric scooter in 2021 you can buy. Roll down to the link in the description box below to know more information and latest price update. Subscribe the channel and like the video if it helped you out in any ways, then hit the bell icon for getting notification when we upload the new video. Let's get started. Starting up our list with the number 5, we have the Gotrax XR Ultra Folding Electric Scooter. Due to its light weight with a fairly chunky battery, the XR Ultra manages to keep its bulk to a minimum of 26.4 pounds. This is light enough to carry onto public transport or up a few flights of stairs easily. With folded dimensions of 43.3 by 17.1 by 14.6 inches, it fits perfectly in a trunk or on the backseat of your car if you're keen to explore beyond your local streets. Its feature a high-quality LG battery that delivers a maximum range of 16 miles on a single charge. Plus, it reduces the minimum charging time down to 3 hours, making it suitable for riders who like to spend as much time out on the road as possible. When it comes to speed, the Ultra XR is fitted with a 300W motor that delivers a maximum of 15.5 miles per hour. To match this, it has a dual front electronic and rear disc brake system that puts out great stopping power when cruising along at max output. This shouldn't be overlooked. Many cheap scooters direct all the braking power to the rear tire, which can hinder braking performance. Having braking power directed to both wheels is a major plus. Digital display in the center of the handlebars gives it a smart finish, allowing you to monitor your speed, battery life, cruise control function, and headlight status. For the cons, it doesn't come with a taillight. The Ultra XR only features a rear reflector. I'd recommend additional lights to give more visibility during nighttime riding. Overall, the Gotrax Ultra XR is the perfect entry-level budget scooter. Given that it's so affordable, it's crazy that it comes with premium features like an LG battery, pneumatic tires, and a robust braking system. Even better, these additions don't add any extra pounds to the overall weight, meaning it scores to the top marks for best budget electric scooter. Moving on at number 4, we have the Turboant X7 Pro Folding Electric Scooter. The X7 Pro is a firm favorite if you're looking for a commuter scooter to perk up your daily commute, or a scooter for leisurely pursuits. At £33, it's slightly heavier than the Gotrax models, but this is still pretty lightweight in the world of electric scooters. You'll be able to lift and carry it with minimal effort, making it ideal if you're the sort of rider that likes to hop on and off quickly as you go. The X7 Pro has folded dimensions of 109 cm long by 43 cm wide by 46 cm tall. The handlebars are 42 cm wide and the deck-to-handlebar height is 99.1 cm tall, which is a comfortable setup for most riders. It also features a removable battery pack that weighs 2.9 kilograms and a maximum reach of up to 30 miles. If you need to get more distance than it provides with one battery, you can purchase a second battery pack to double the range up to an incredible 60 miles. With large pneumatic 25.4 cm tires at 35 psi, a rear disc brake, a front regenerative brake, and a foot brake, the X7 Pro provides good damping at low speed and safe braking without suspension. For the cons, the one downside of the battery being in the stem is that it makes the X7 Pro front heavy. This is really only a concern when getting the scooter up curbs or lifting it by the handlebars when it's not folded, as the rear wheel will swing freely and can knock you in the ankles. To conclude, the Turboant X7 Pro is an excellent entry-level scooter. It has a more premium edge than the cheaper Gotrax models, thanks to its triple braking system, punchy top speed, and the advantages its detachable battery offers. Its range also sets it apart, making it an attractive option if you're looking for something lightweight and portable to get you around your city and back again. At number 3, we have the Hiboy S2 folding electric scooter. If your budget is a little tighter, and you're looking for a more wallet-friendly alternative to the Turboant X7 Pro, check out the Hiboy S2, available for $409. Although you'll need to make some compromises, the S2 ranks just as well when it comes to weight and portability. Moving to the design, the S2 has a smart, matte black aesthetic that is reminiscent of the Xiaomi Mi 365, and will suit any urban environment. Its cockpit is equally as stylish, featuring a bell and two ergonomic thumb pads, one for the throttle, and the other for the electronic brake, with an additional lever for operating the rear disc brake. Alongside this, you'll also find a bright backlit LED display in the center, so you can check your riding stats. In terms of performance department, the S2 comes with aluminum frame at 29.5 pounds. It also features a mechanism that allows it to collapse in just 3 seconds. Measuring 45.7 by 16.5 by 19.3 inches, this makes storage relatively easy. Even at lightweight but still capable of supporting riders up to 260 pounds. It's have 350-watt motor and can hit 0 to 15 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds maximum. Plus, when you're cruising busy city streets, it's unlikely you're going to want to go much faster, but the steeper the hill, the slower it goes. You can pair app with smartphone to lock the scooter, operate your cruise control, swap riding mode, and even customize the acceleration and electronic brake strength. That makes it a more modern, attractive option when compared with others in its price bracket. For the cons, there is no tail light or brake light, just a reflector on the rear fender. The scooter is let down by a bumpy, rattly ride. Although the S2's performance lets it hang with both the King and the sea of clones, it lags behind in overall ride quality, due to the lack of responsiveness from the barely suspension and solid narrow tires. At the end, the S2 is a great scooter for first-time riders, and will suit anyone wanting a model for casual weekend excursions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to lift and carry on the go. At the number 2, we have the Unagi Model 1 electric scooter. The slick, sleek, and available in 4 colors, the Model 1's flawless appearance isn't only about looks, but functionality too. The smooth paint finish gives the Model 1 a premium feel whilst moonlighting as a protective layer against the high abrasion. The command center conjures images of a starship cockpit, and seamlessly integrated into the handlebars. So you can easily access features like the throttle, brakes, horn, and LED headlight. On the topic of weight, the Model 1 comes with 23 pounds, thanks to several clever design choices that knock off those extra pounds. In addition to the carbon fiber body, the handlebars are made from magnesium alloy, which is 33% lighter than aluminum. Again, the Model 1 is also super portable, with folded dimensions of 37.8 by 16.5 by 14.9 inches, make it the world's first one-click folding scooter. Featuring a front-wheel 250-watt motor, and it can reach as a top speed of 17 miles per hour, this might not be the fastest we've ever seen, but it's perfect for inner-city commuting, as is its maximum range of 15.5 miles. If your round trip is longer than that, the Model 1 has a fairly short recharging time of 4 to 5 hours, so you can charge on the go and be back out on the road in no time. It also features 3 riding modes: beginner, intermediate, and advanced, to help you control your speed and conserve battery life for longer. For the cons, the Model 1 isn't built to tackle hills and only has a max slope capacity of 6 degrees. If you live in a city where steep inclines are a regular feature, this isn't the scooter for you. Also, the handlebars don't fold, however, this is a minor complaint on my behalf. Overall, if you're looking for a premium scooter that has a lightweight yet durable frame, super simple folding mechanism, and off-the-charts dose of style, the Model 1 is a perfect choice. High quality without the high maintenance, it's perfectly suited to an urban environment, and will turn heads wherever you go. The last product on our list is the Inikam Light 2 folding electric scooter. Inokim makes really good scooters, and the Light 2 is no exception, upholding their reputation for quality, alongside safety and comfort. Manufactured from the best materials and featuring a slick, modern design, the Light 2 is the epitome of reliability and longevity. This £30 scooter's combined makeup means it's top portable talent. Now, as you might have noticed, this scooter isn't the lightest on the list. It's a whole 7 pounds heavier than the Unagi Model 1, but it's still very easy to carry. Taking it on public transport, or carrying it up several flights of stairs won't pose any problems. The folded dimensions is awesome, measures just 37.4 by 9.8 by 14.2, which makes it one of the most compact portable scooters. Also, it comes with 10.4 hour battery that will keep the wheels rolling for up to a maximum of 20 miles. thanks to Inokim's choice of highly efficient of LG battery to complement the overall quality of the scooter, and recharge time is only 5 hours. The Light 2 employs low-maintenance dual drum brakes, providing great stopping power when you need it. And for nighttime riding, the Light 2 comes with front and rear LED lights to provide illumination, and make you visible to other riders on the road. Especially, it will turn on automatically when they detect the low light. To top it off, the Light 2 is the only scooter that combines foldable handlebars with a telescopic stem, and a simple folding mechanism under 30 pounds. No other scooters even come close. You won't need to choose between compact folded dimensions, or a lightweight frame, because the Light 2 does both. So, if you need something lightweight and compact, then the Light 2 will be perfect. That's all for today, thanks for watching.